In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Stripe to create and customize invoices with ease. This process is straightforward, and by the end, you'll be able to efficiently generate and personalize invoices for your customers. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to Stripe. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up and log into your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll notice a range of options and features that Stripe offers, but today, our focus is on the billing side, particularly invoicing. Once you're on your Stripe dashboard, locate and click on Billing. It might be nestled among other headings on the top menu or sidebar, depending on your dashboard layout. After clicking on Billing, you'll see several options. Look for the section labeled Invoices. Click on that and it'll take you to the invoicing interface where the magic happens. Here on the Invoices page, you'll see a button that says Create an Invoice. Click it, and this is where your invoice creation process begins. You'll be prompted to input various details, such as the customer name, the items or services being billed, and the quantities involved. Stripe allows you to add as much detail as necessary to ensure clarity for your customer. Once you've input all the necessary details for the invoice, you may notice an option called Additional Options. Click on this to expand the menu. Here you'll see an array of customizable features like custom fields, which are especially handy if you need to pass specific information to your customer that's not covered by the default fields. Whether it's a special instruction, a note, or specific payment terms, you can now input all of this in the Custom Field section. This feature is particularly useful if you want to provide your customer with specific information or instructions that are unique to their transaction. For instance, if there's a special discount applied or particular terms they should be aware of, this is the place to add that information. After you've populated the custom fields and double-checked all the information for accuracy, your invoice is ready to be sent. You can review everything one last time to make sure all details are correct and aligned with your business needs and customer requirements. And that's it. You've successfully created an invoice in Stripe, customized it with additional information, and are ready to send it off to your customer. This process should be quick and easy once you get the hang of it, making your billing tasks more efficient and tailored to your specific business needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further clarification, and stay tuned for more tutorials and guides.